G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this, how I sauteed this lemon herb kale with peppers and onions. Okay, so if you want to see how I made this delicious dish, then keep watching. Alright G Squad, so these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using today to saute our kale. And so starting with the star of the show, the kale. This is about 2 pounds worth of kale. Then I have a yellow onion. I also have some cherry tomatoes that I will dice up and add to that. Then I have a rainbow bell pepper. So I'll be cutting up probably half of this and adding it to it. I'm going to saute everything and using this extra virgin olive oil. I'm also going to add some minced garlic to this. I forgot to put it out on the counter, but you'll see it later on in the video. And I'm going to be adding some lemon herb vinaigrette to this dish, and I will season it with my usual complete seasoning. I'll add a little pink Himalayan salt, also some garlic powder, what's left of that, and then I'm just going to add some accent just to you know, kick it up a notch. Okay, so now let me prep everything off camera. I'll come back and then we'll get started with cooking. Okay, hi, so I did want to pop back in and show you, because I said I was going to prep everything off camera and then pop back in. With the kale, what I'm doing, see with these stems here, all I'm doing is just sliding through and I'm removing, you know, the stems. Okay, so just slide it off like that, and that's it. Alright, I just wanted to pop in and show you that. Alright G Squad, so I have my pan already heating up, and I added about 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. I added the extra virgin olive oil to that. So now I'm going to go in with my minced garlic that I told you I forgot to, you know, mention earlier. We'll have it on the counter. And so I'm just going to add about a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. You can add as much as you like, or you don't have to add it at all. So just start mixing that around. So as you can hear, my grease is already hot. So now I'm going to go in and add my bell pepper. I use half of this bell pepper. So just adding this. And so now I'm just going to allow this to I'm going to allow this to do its thing for about 2 minutes, and then we'll continue on. Alright y'all, so now after a couple of minutes I have my onion. This is half the onion. So we just add that in as well. Give it a nice mix. Ooh, it smells good. Alright, mix that in really well. So now I'm going to allow these onions to cook for like 2 minutes, and then we'll continue on with everything else. Alright G Squad, so now I'm going to go in and add our diced tomatoes. Oh, it smells like a good time in here. Okay, so again, allow these to cook for about 2 minutes. Alright, so now, this is the kale. I washed it, and then I went in and I cut it up to bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to add this entire pan of kale, and then just go in and then just start to mix it around. So you can incorporate all the other ingredients in the kale together. And I have it on a medium to low heat, or low to medium. So now I'm just mixing this around. And it smells so amazing. Woo! Just keep mixing it and mixing it until it's really, you know, incorporated with the oil and the peppers and onions. There we go. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and start seasoning, starting with my garlic powder. And if you're new to my channel, first off, thank you so much for clicking on. I appreciate it. I don't do measurements when I cook. I always just say season to the ancestors or the gods say stop. Adding I added some pink Himalayan salt to that. Now I'm going in with my complete seasoning. Just going to add that. Now I'm going to add some accent to that. Okay, and then just mix it again. Actually, let me get a spoon because I want to get those peppers all mixed around. Just keep mixing it around like so. Okay, now I'm going to go in and add about, I want to say about 1/4 cup of this lemon vinaigrette. Shake, make sure you shake it. And then I'm just going to, okay, and then just mix it around. And then now I'm going to put a lid on this and allow this to simmer for a few, and then you know, we'll check back in. And then also, you know, you can taste it, make sure it's seasoned to your liking. Okay, so again, I'm just going to cover this up and allow it to do its thing. Alright, G Squad. So I let it saute for like another 5 minutes, and it is done. Turn our flame off. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this into a dish, and then we'll wrap up this video. Okay. I tasted it off camera. Oh my goodness, it tastes so delicious. That's what it's given. And with this dish, you can add, you know, build up on it. You can add some mushrooms to this if you wanted to keep it as like a vegan dish. You can just literally eat it, you know, just like this. Maybe add some avocado with it. Like I said, you can add mushrooms in the pan. You could do chicken, shrimps, whatever you want. Okay, yeah. That's what it's given. Oh, it smells so good. I tasted it and it tastes mwah, amazing, amazing. Yeah, so let's wrap up this video, fam. Hey, beautiful people. How you doing? How's everything going? So, here it is. This is our kale. Look at that beautiful bowl of goodness, y'all. Okay, let me just do a tasting on camera for you. I already tasted it off camera and it tastes amazing. So let me say my blessings. Okay. So just grab a fork full of a little tomatoes, peppers, onions, and the kale. That's what it's given. I wanna. Y'all already know what it's given. Delicious. Wow. Like I said, if you're into the vegan life, vegetarian, eating healthier, this is definitely, you can just have this, by itself. Okay? Wow. So family, thank you once again for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate the love. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet. Sorry, I got distracted by something outside. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below. Did I forget anything? I don't think. But anyway, family. At the end of the day, I love you guys. I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.